Hello, I'm Jill at engVid, and today's lesson is on consonants in English. Okay, so all the consonant sounds, not the vowel sounds, but the consonant sounds. So, just to explain that the way I've got them written up on the board here is this column here, and then down in this column down to the line. They are pairs of consonants because they are formed in the same way, the way you shape your mouth to make that sound. They're the same way that you form your mouth, but you put more force behind some of them than the others. They're lighter and heavier, but they're the same shape. And then the rest of them below this line are single consonants that don't belong in a pair. So I think that will become clearer as I start to go through them and demonstrate how to make the sound. Okay, so first of all, and also to explain that I've put the phonetic symbols at the side. Don't worry if you don't know the phonetic symbols. You don't need to know them. This is maybe for people who have learnt the phonetic symbols, who find them useful. So don't worry if you certainly don't need to learn these. I have difficulty remembering them all myself, so don't worry. As long as you know how to pronounce it, that's the main thing. But these are to show that each one is a different sound. So the first pair then is P and B. So as they appear in the example words, pen and back. So it's P, 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 B, B, B. So you can see what I mean by the pair of consonants formed in the same way by your mouth. You put your lips together, P, P, B, B. And the difference is just that the P sound is lighter and the B sound is heavier. You use your vocal cords more to make the B sound. P, 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 B, B, B. So feel free to repeat them after me, each one as I say it. P, 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 B, B, B. So pen, back. Okay, so that's the first pair. Then the second pair is T and D. So again, in your mouth, you'll feel that your tongue is going up to the roof of your mouth, T, and then coming away again, T, 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 like that, D, D, D. So the T is lighter, D is heavier. So we've got T as in T, 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 and D as in day, day, day. Okay, good. Right, the next pair. So we have Ch, 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 and J, J, J. And you can feel, I hope, in your mouth, your tongue is in the same position for both of those. Ch, 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 J, J, J. And the only difference is the J is a strong sound. Okay, so Ch as in cheer, cheer, and J, spelt with a J, but this is the phonetic symbol for it. J, J, J. So we have cheer and jump. Cheer, jump. Ch, ch, ch. J, J, J. Okay, good. And the next pair are F, 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 V, V, V. So for this one, if you do it, you can feel your top teeth on your bottom lip, like that, almost as if you're going to bite your lip, like that. F, 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 v, v, v. You might feel it tickles a little bit. V. If I do that, see if you can do that as a long continuous sound. V. It really tickles at my bottom lip when I do that. So f, 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 v, v, v. So few, 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 and view, view, view. Right? Then we have, you might think TH. We have TH twice. You might like to watch my other video on the two different ways of pronouncing TH, because again, one is lighter, the other is heavier. So it's th as in thing, and the as in then. Thing, then. So this second one is heavier, using more of your vocal cords. Okay, and those are the symbols for those. So thing, then, and your tongue is touching your front teeth, top teeth. Th, 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 the, for both of those. Okay, and then the next pair is sh, 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 as in fish, and j, 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 as in pleasure, pleasure, j. So sh, j, sh, j. And the second one, all of these, the first is light, the second one is heavy. Sh, j, fish, pleasure. Okay, good. And the next pair is k, 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 as in key, k, k. So if you can feel where your tongue is sort of going towards the back of your throat, k, 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 to make the k sound. And then g, 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 much heavier, g, 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 but your tongue is in the same place for that. So k as in key, and g as in get. Okay, and then the last pair is s, 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 as in soon, and z, 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 as in zero. So s, 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 z, 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 z. You'll feel your tongue is in the same position for both of those. Okay, good. Right, so those are all the pairs, and now these are just the single ones that don't belong in a pair. So we have the H sound. If you breathe on your hand, you should be able to feel the heat from your breath. So hot, hot, hot. So that's as in hot. And then the L, 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 you have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth, l, 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 l. So l as in lead, 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 okay. M as in some, so you bring your lips together, some, some, okay. And then N as in sun, so your lips aren't totally together. You've got as in some, but then sun, and you keep your lips a little bit more open. Sun, sun, and your tongue should be up on the roof of your mouth. Sun, sun, okay. And then this is sun with a G added, so sung, So this is the symbol for So ng together, sung, ng. Okay, and then r as in red, red, red. Okay, where your tongue will curl back into your mouth to make the English R sound. It's not like, for example, a French sounding R, 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 where your tongue is catching at the back of your throat. The English R, r, r. You bring your lips together, r, but curl your tongue back towards the back of your throat. R, 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 r. Red, red, red. You'll see another of my videos all about pronouncing R in English. So have a look for that one if you'd like to practice that. Okay. And then w as in wet, w. So what, bring your lips together like that. Okay. Wet. And finally, although it looks like a J, this is the symbol, phonetic symbol, it's actually y, 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 as in yet, yet. Okay, so I hope that's been a helpful run through of all the consonants that you use in English, whether it's British English or American English. It's the same, more or less, except R in American English. Sometimes you hear it a more pronounced R, and also in some parts of the UK, some areas, different regions might make out more of an R sound, but that is a variation within the UK. So I hope that's been helpful. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.